Right, so I did say that the last video with Paul was going to be the last video, but I couldn't stop you from coming to have a look at these Calibris because they are really, really cool. And they're inside, so they're off the main Wolf Rock stand. We're in the tent as you come straight into the boat show, and we've got this fantastic Kolibri stand with some small 2.5 Suzukis. Just tell me a little bit about these Calibri boats, where you first heard about them, and some of the qualities of these boats.
Well, I first heard them actually, it was my colleague Frank Killen that runs Brig for France. And I went down to see him last summer, and he had a warehouse full of these boats. And it was Frank that introduced me to Calibri last year.
Okay, so Calibri are also a Ukrainian brand as well, aren't they?
Yeah, they're made in near Dnipro in Ukraine, so our third brand from Ukraine.
Yeah.
And so we're really proud obviously to be supporting Ukrainian companies at the moment. But that's because, the quality's good, the price is good.
Yeah.
They can deliver and manufacture the boats. So, yeah, we feel we've got a really good product here.
A real winner. And I think that boat building expertise that we talk with Brig and then UMS, which are two videos that you'll be able to see on the channel, you're then also getting that with these boats.Ese are not mass-produced boats in other parts of the world. The quality of the PVC, I know the PVC is from Germany, for example, the welding on them, the fittings, everything is built to last, isn't it?
Well, it's all these guys make. You know, they make small, inflatable sibs, soft inflatable boats. That's all they do. So you're right, it's a German fabric. You can see how clean all of the welds are, all of the little fitting with the oars and the handles, but they will be making all of this in their factory.
Yeah.
And again, the reason why we can compete with the Chinese products price-wise, you know, we've got a European-built, well-spec boats here that's competing with the Korean stuff, the Chinese stuff, which is nowhere near the quality of what these are.
Yeah, absolutely. And with these, you've got inflatable decks, aluminium decks. On this side, this is more of the tender range. So
these are the tender standard.
Yeah.
These are the standards. So these are the basic sibs that we actually do here in the moment in the UK. I mean, there is a massive range for Calibri. I mean, I feel like we're just scratching the surface really as to what we can do with these guys, but it all takes a bit of time introducing these products to the market.
Absolutely.
I think we've got a super stand here today. Really grateful for Kevin and Hayley that have been manning it.
Yep.
Because not everybody wants to come and, if I'm honest, work on the dinghy stand. We've got, you know, Irons and Briggs and UMSs, but it's an important brand to us, this. And
absolutely.
We want to obviously sell a lot of these guys, so come and have a look at these. Come and have a look at the website. You know, find out more about this brand. It really is a great little brand.
Absolutely, they are awesome, and you've got, you know, all sorts of different shapes and sizes. These ones over here have inflatable kind of hull sections as well.
This is more like our Deluxe range. I suppose they're a bit heavier.
Yeah.
These have got inflatable keels. There's all sorts. We've not got them today. It's a shame because we just couldn't get a big enough space here. But there's dodgers that go on the front for a bit of protection.
Yeah.
You can even get like a built-in enclosure on these as a tent. I mean, if we'd have had these through COVID, we'd have sold thousands of them because they literally would have been floating tents. People would have been coming down to Southampton and buying a 360 Calibri and camping on it for the weekend on the water.
Yeah,
there's belly boats, isn't there, and all sorts of things.
So cool. So tenders, just getting out and having fun, little fishing, inflatables as well. There's loads of uses for these Calibris, and the best way to come and see them is at Southampton International Boat Show.
Definitely. It's not too late, guys. You know, come and see us over the weekend. And of course, we've got this fabulous offer with Suzuki. So this one would take a 2.5. Would actually plane with a 2.5.
Yeah.
And the Suzuki 2.5 is a mere £495.
Yeah, $499. It's 250 quid off the top price of the engine. So we've got show offers on the boat, show offer on the engine. You could end up picking yourself up something that is £300 less than it's meant to be, maybe £400 with some of the prices. So it's worth coming to speak to Kevin Hayley, ask the questions about these Calibris, have a look at the quality, have a wander around the show, check out everybody else, and I'm pretty sure that you will come back to Calibri at the end of the day.
If you're in the market for an inflatable tender, come here or get on the Calibri website or on the Wolf Rock website and find out more about this fantastic little brand from Ukraine.
Perfect. We'll see you guys over the weekend, and if not, come and see these guys in Kingsbridge down in Salcombe. We'll see you soon.
Thanks, guys.